They won't be able to keep a lid on this one much longer.
Jim, the puck should drop soon on this fourth game of the Western Conference quarterfinal.
So sit tight and enjoy the outstanding play of the Detroit Red Wings and the Phoenix Coyotes. Monty stretches out to get by his man.
Why keep two hands on your stick when you don't have to, huh?
Misses! Kavanagh jumps on the loose puck. Lankow taken out.
Jeez, why not just slap the guy on the butt and tell him what a great job he's doing?
Shanahan. One times it, scores!
His skills told the story, now there's nothing but the glory.
And that was the night's first goal, coming quickly in the first period.
That's the gravy, baby. Bring on the mashed potatoes.
Salani, Burke, great save!
He needs to do that more often. Say, once every 15 seconds or so.
Burke freezes the puck. Phoenix grabs it. Doan gets around Yager. He rubs out Doan.
Rolled over him like a tank over a toaster.
Shanahan. Yager now has the puck. Shoots! Mera stops the shot. Kolanos. Lemieux corrals the puck. Kolanos corrals it. Phoenix gets a hold of it. Lemieux fires it! Saved by Joseph!
You can almost hear him saying, "Not on my watch, buddy."
Shanahan. Kolanos. He gets laid out.
Pain, pain, go away. Don't come again another day.
Mera with the puck. May grabs it. Turned away. It's off the post. Delayed penalty coming up for Detroit. Nylander is going off for interference.
Yep, Jim. Just as I suspected. His actions warranted a 2-minute penalty.
Phoenix now has a one-man edge.
Let's see if they can make some hay out of this situation.
Make some hay? Haven't heard that since I worked on the prairies.
Hey, where I come from, they want to make hay out of everything.
Phoenix has a player down and right now looks very concerned.
He's a teammate, Jim, and no one wants to see a teammate go down.
Doan looks like he's in too much pain to keep playing.
No sense pushing it. You don't want to make it worse than it already is, or you'll end up out of action longer than you want to be.
May, Lankow, looks like he's hurt his foot.
He's not liking this. Neither is his coach or teammates. In fact, I'm hating it too. He'd better be all right. He's going for a rest whether he wants to or not, Jim.
You can never be too careful with injuries, especially when these guys refuse to quit. They're fighters. May shoots the puck from the slot. Joseph made the save.
And you can almost hear him saying, "Get that weak shot out of here."
Nylander, Burke with an awesome save.
That could have been goal number 1 for him. Instead, just a shot.
Monty shoots the puck. He takes over. Lemieux shot the puck. Save. Look at them fighting like a couple of bear cubs.
Let's hope it doesn't get grisly.
Oh, boy, just did with that comment. We've got a definite winner here.
And he wins the decision with some heavy collision.
Phoenix penalty to number 22.
Timonen gets the puck. Salani takes it.
Major for fighting. Detroit penalty to number 4.
Fires! Mera gets in the way. Bookberger gets checked.
I'm sure a hit like that caused the magnetic reversal of the poles.
Shot scores!
The infamous puck upstairs goal, tormenting goalies for over a century.
Detroit will try to take this 2-goal lead into the first intermission.
Or as I like to call it, Jim and Don bonding time.
Bookberger gets by Kuba. Wilson shoots the puck from the left. Scores!
He really kept his eye on the puck out there. And what counts even more, his stick.
Detroit can feel the other team starting to come on.
It's kind of like that feeling you get when you're walking down a dark alley. Or in this case, skating down a dark alley.
Monty. He's off! Shoots! Chelios picks up the puck from Joseph Robitaille. He scores!
Woo-wee! A wondrous goal. Can we get the replay in reverse? Things always look funnier that way.
No, Detroit has leaped ahead by 2.
They've got to be pleased with their results so far, but I bet they keep pushing. 2-goal leads are good, but 3-goal scores! You can keep your sunsets. I prefer the wonders of a great goal.
Detroit would love nothing more than to be able to get that goal back before the period ends.
And they better work quickly, Jim.
Nazarov.
The first period is over. Done. Cooked. Finished. Finito. Concluded.
Okay, we get it.
Relentlessly, the game goes on.
It's almost time to drop the puck on the next period, so let's go. Wilson has his pocket pick. Lidstrom. Shanahan. Yager shoots it! Burke made the huge save! Burke freezes the puck. Phoenix takes it. Kolanos. He gets rocked.
Whacks him with a wondrous wallop.
May. Amonte got the puck. Scooped up by Phoenix. Markov. Quick shot. Turned aside by Joseph.
Proving that denial is more than just a river in Egypt.
Long pass. It's one-on-one. Burke slams the door shut. Markov. Kolanos gets rubbed off the puck.
Popped him with a hit with grit.
Yager. He scores!
This is why the ever-popular switch the goalie maneuver was invented. Now use it! I'm sure in some distant land, 2 hockey experts are analyzing their chances of keeping this 2-goal lead, but I'm too lazy to comment.
Bookberger. Joseph turns him away.
Hey, them blocker things come in handy sometimes. I should get one.
Blocked. Shanahan takes control of the puck. Shoots it! Burke shut the door!
Goaltending. Looks simple? Go ahead and try it.
Yager. Icing is called against Detroit. Kolanos wins the draw. Amonte jumps on the loose puck. May shoots. Lemieux. May with the puck. Fires it. Blocked. Joseph denies him. Timonen takes control of the puck. Kolanos. Great save by Joseph.
Watching him play goal makes me wish I hadn't slept through all those 5 a.m. practices.
Nieuwendyk. Yzerman fires! Burke freezes the puck. Bookberger. Delayed call against Timonen. Timonen will go to the box for cross-checking.
He's gonna sit for 2 minutes, Jim. Boy, how many times have I said that?
Phoenix has a chance to open up its offense.
A one-man advantage like this can be a huge factor.
May, backhanded shot. Kaberla jumps on the loose puck. Amonte. Timonen has finished serving his penalty. Joseph stones him.
I would have done the same thing myself.
Timonen fires it from the left. Burke made the brilliant save. Kolanos took the puck. May grabbed it. He gets laid out.
He's into leveling at a higher level.
Timonen cranks it. Lemieux stops the shot. Bookberger had the puck. Lemieux returns it. The ref indicates a delayed call. Bookberger with the puck. Savage shoots! He gets called for cross-checking.
Instead of giving guys penalties, how about they just drop slime on them? Hey, it's a radical idea, but it could work.
Phoenix has got to hope this edge in numbers will pay off.
They'll accept most major credit cards or a goal, whatever's easier.
Timonen takes control of the puck. Lemieux was offside. Yzerman won the faceoff.
Last minute of play.
Amonte gets in the way. Mera jumps on the loose puck. Yzerman shoots it. He misses the net. It's the end of the second period. The Red Wings have been doing an excellent job of moving the puck around.
And that extra pass is what leads to some great scoring chances, Jim.
Hello.
Hi.
Lemieux wins the draw. Solani corrals the puck. Phoenix picks it up. Wilson. Timonen takes possession. Robitaille. Offside, Detroit. The face-off goes to Detroit. Shanahan. The Red Wings come in offside. May. Shoots! Saved by Joseph!
He was the last line of defense, and boy, did he come through. And the puck did not.
Yager shoots the puck, scores!
Everyone likes to define their goals, and that was the finest goal I've seen in a long time.
Phoenix is going to make a goalie change, Don.
That's no surprise, Jim. The tender wasn't exactly playing his best.
Shanahan.
68, Jaromir Jagr.
Rips one right on net, scores!
Are you sure that isn't the same goalie as before?
Nope, it's the other guy.
Well, he let one in just like the other one.
Detroit isn't letting up for a second.
They're strong, they're fast, and they're dominating.
14, and by number
Monty shoots the puck. Joseph closes the door.
Better luck next time, fellows.
Shanahan. Shoots! Kolanos stops the shot. Thrashed.
He's lowering the bar for everyone, Jim, and it just gets my goat. You see?
Timonen, Amonte. Lemieux with the puck. Robitaille. Solani! Saved by Boucher! Solani takes control of the puck. Backhand from the left. Boucher closed the door. Puck is loose. Joseph makes the save. Timonen jumps on the loose puck. Solani got it. Lemieux has it. Fires from the right. Boucher stoned in cold. Buchberger. Joseph turned the shot aside.
This could be the start of something big.
Joseph denies him.
Among his weapons of choice, glove, blocker, pad, and a can-do attitude.
Robitaille shoots the puck. Markov now with it. Kolanos gets it. Mowed down.
Guys with hits like that usually end up with a few Grammys in their closet.
Shanahan. He gets pushed off the puck.
That, of course, once and for all dispelling the ridiculous rumor that he's invincible.
Boucher hangs on for the whistle. Yzerman won the faceoff. Brewer with a wrist shot. Boucher shuts the door.
No way, no how.
Johnson now with the puck. Neuendijk runs over Nazarov.
I saw better hits than that at my family reunion.
Neuendijk shot it. Boucher turned the shot away. Boucher freezes the puck. Cabrera with it now. He gets laid out. Amonte gets the shot off. Neuendijk with the puck. Chatan fires it. Boucher made the huge save. Blocked. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. Looks like the fans got a bit of a shock there.
But the glass is back in and we're ready to go.
Johnson. Nazarov has the puck. The Coyotes dump it in. Robitaille has it. Timonen grabs it.
Hold on to it!
Solani takes it.
Look out.
Detroit gobbles it up. Lemieux fires. Boucher made the save.
He shot the puck, but he had no luck.
Chelios takes possession of the puck. Lemieux has it now. Solani now with it. Boucher made the brilliant save. Boucher freezes the puck. May looks pretty hurt.
He's holding his forearm, and he is not enjoying himself at this moment, Jim.
No, and I don't blame him a bit, Don. The pain appears to be too much. They're taking him out of this game for now.
Maybe for the night.
We'll wait for an update on the extent of his injuries. Boucher freezes the puck. Buchberger. Wilson. Phoenix grabbed it, shoots quickly. Joseph denied him.
And now for the three-star selection. Tonight's